Okay viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll install Ubuntu operating system inside VirtualBox. So let's get started. Before starting, inside the setting, we need to select the DVD drive from where we're going to install Ubuntu. So my DVD drive is G drive. So I'm selecting G drive and clicking OK. After that, click on Start. Clicking on Start, the installation process will be started. Okay, here you can see the installation process has been started. It will take some time. To loading. Now the screen has come. So you can try Ubuntu by clicking on try Ubuntu, but as we'll install Ubuntu, we'll go with the install Ubuntu. So click on install Ubuntu. Okay, I don't need any update, so click on continue. Install now. Continue. Click continue. Here you can select your region. As my region is India, so I'm clicking India. I'm going to India. You can change your country. My country is India, so I'm clicking on India and click continue. Here you can select keyboard layout. I'm leaving it as default. Okay, here you need to give a name to your system. I'm giving a name as user and password. I'm giving a password. You can choose any password as you want, and I want Ubuntu to be loaded automatically, login out automatically, so I'm going with this option and clicking continue. So now you can see the installation process is continue. Copying files takes some time, so wait patiently. Now you can see the installation is completed. You need to restart your computer in order to use the new installation. So let's restart my PC. I'm restarting the virtual machine only, not my PC. As you can see, the installation process has been completed. It takes some time for restarting the machine for the first time. Here you can see the machine is ready for use. Okay, the installation process is complete. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.